Launch the structural model calculation. Activate the existing beam reinforcement view. Insert the beam's longitudinal reinforcement. Add its links or stirrups. Copy-paste the reinforcement to a different beam with the same number of spans. Duplicate the reinforcement for other beams of the same type. Now activate the column's reinforcements view. Select the desired side and add longitudinal reinforcement. Insert its stirrups. You can copy, paste reinforcements to other similar columns too. Duplicate the reinforcement for other columns of the same type.